Welcome to Bite Club, implant prosthetics and implant restorative training for the general dentist. Bite Club stands for Basic Implant Training and Education, a program under the umbrella of Canadian Dental Implant Training Centre and the AAID Vancouver MaxiCourse. We run a weekday evening study club that meets once per month for 7 months, focused on prosthetics training and surgical treatment planning. Implant treatment workflow from the first patient consultation to the final restoration. Learn how to work with your implant surgeon for the best results for your patients. Integrating a fully developed curriculum with some hands-on workshops, Bite Club is geared towards restorative dentists looking for a greater understanding of the restorative aspects of implant dentistry, as well as dentists new to implant dentistry who are seeking a beginner's foundation program before enrolling in more advanced implant programs. Our study club is available in Vancouver, White Rock, and Victoria. Join us at a free information session. Please visit our website for more information or give us a call today to learn more. Your implant education and lifelong learning journey can begin here.